Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Chat Club.
Hello, everyone.
My name is Luna.
My name is Ryan.
In today's lesson, we will learn a useful English conversation.
Yes, this is a common situation in daily life.
Sometimes you meet someone but you forget their name.
That can be a little embarrassing.
But do not worry. Today we will learn how to handle this situation. First, listen to the conversation.
Ryan, how is it going?
I am good, Luna. Thank you.
What are you doing in this area?
My office is right around the corner.
Oh, really? That is nice.
It was great to meet you last week.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
Well, I am in a bit of a hurry.
No problem.
Here's my card. Let us talk again soon.
Sure. You still have my contact details, right?
This is a little embarrassing.
What happened?
Your name slipped my mind.
That is okay. My name is Ryan.
Oh yes. Now I remember.
Do not worry. It happens to everyone.
Now let us learn some important phrases.
Phrase number 1. In a bit of a hurry.
This means you do not have much time.
Example. I cannot talk now. I am in a bit of a hurry.
Phrase number 2. Contact details.
Contact details are information like your phone number or email.
Phrase number 3. Slipped my mind.
This means you forgot something.
Example. I forgot the meeting. It slipped my mind. Now listen to the conversation again slowly.
Ryan, how is it going?
I am doing well.
Do you live around here?
My office is around the corner.
I am in a bit of a hurry.
That is okay.
Your name slipped my mind.
My name is Ryan.
Now I remember.
Great job.
Practice these sentences every day.
It will improve your English speaking.
Thank you for learning with English Chat Club.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.